Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power door locks are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. The fuse you want to check is located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. It will be just behind this cover. Now to remove this cover you just want to gently pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the power door locks fuse is the fuse at the bottom and it's a 25 amp fuse, and hopefully this fuse will be burnt and just by replacing it you will fix your problem. If this fuse proves to be good, then you can start looking into the power door locks switch or the wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.